I'm getting sick of this. I'm never gonna get a girlfriend.
Man, I guess I'll stay here and look outside the window.
I'm forever alone.
Good news, man. I just got you a blind date.
Really?
Oh yeah. She's really hot. Really laid back.
Ooh, I like.
She's totally not stuck up.
Let's go.
There's just one problem.
What?
She's a backcracker.
A backcracker? What's that?
You know, a backcracker? Like one of those people that always cracks their back all the time and is super loud and annoying like those dogs downstairs.
Backcracker? That doesn't sound like it's that bad.
Good, because she's coming in 20 minutes. Now, excuse me, I'm gonna go dump a massive load.
I have to go too. But you know what? Come on, I'll take a go. No. Really, dude? Suck it. Come on, dude. I gotta take a massive crap too. Let's go.
Hold on. Okay, she should be here right about now.
Are you serious, dude? You set me up on a blind date and I have to take a dump? Dude! She's here right now and you haven't even told me her name!
Alright, her name is Candy Sexington, and she likes long walks on the beach, but she hates yoga and Pilates, but for some reason she does it. Oh, and I met her in aviation school.
You went to Harvard.
Yeah, but you know, once in a while I like to do weird stuff to pick up chicks. And this time, I'm doing it for you.
Okay,
so you're welcome.
Okay.
Candy!
What's up?
Hey, Evan, this is Candy.
Hi, Andy. How are you?
Pretty good. I'll leave you guys to get acquainted. I gotta go do something.
Okay, do you wanna go sit down on the couch?
Sure.
Yeah, shut the door. Let's go. So yeah, this is the living room. Let's sit down here, you know, kind of get to know each other. Because this was kind of subtle for me because Ryan's the type of roommate that likes to just spring things on you all of a sudden.
He sounds like that kind of guy.
So Katie, where are you from?
Hold on 1 second. Well, I used to live in New Zealand. I went to North Korea for a little while. That was a great, great place. You should visit it.
Sure.
Africa was kind of nice. I got deported from Canada. I don't know what happened there, but I'm not allowed in Canada anymore. And now I live here.
Interesting. So, how old are you?
Wait 1 minute. I'm 19 years old.
You don't say. Me too. So what do you think of this Ryan fella?
He's pretty weird.
How'd you meet him again?
He was on campus at my school. It's pretty weird. He doesn't go there.
Yeah, I figured. Yeah, that kind of sounds like Ryan. I mean, how did he come up and like talk to you? Because he's really strange with women.
Wait 1 second. He just kind of walked up to me and told me I was a beautiful woman. I am a beautiful woman. So I kind of fell for him from there.
I mean, I do agree to that on some extent. What do you... Ryan said you hated yoga, but you liked it at the same time?
1 second.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't really like the clothes in yoga. I mean, the pants are kind of weird. I love the stretching. I love the stretching.
Okay. Well, Ryan said he would make us dinner. He's been a pretty good cook as of late. I'll go call him. Hey, Ryan, what are you doing? What? We're getting pretty hungry. Want to come make us...
Want something to eat?
Yeah.
You want me to make you something?
Yeah.
I'll be right down in a second.
Okay.
So what are you guys hungry for?
You like pizza, Candy?
Yeah, pizza's great.
Ryan makes some really good pizza. Hey, Ryan, could you make us some of your white pizza?
Yeah, sure, I can do that. But first, let me go to the bathroom.
Sorry, he's not usually like this. He's been going to the bathroom a lot lately.
Should get that checked out.
Hey, Ryan, you okay in there?
Yeah, just my spastic cold acting up.
1 sec. Sorry about this, Candy. Oh, goodness. Ryan,
What?
are you okay?
Barely? Oh god, I should have not have eaten Mexican food today.
Oh, goodness. You're setting a bad example for Candy. Why?
I can't open it, my spastic colon.
Candy, I am so sorry. I am so sorry you had to deal with that.
1 second. It's okay. My dad had the same problem. I think that's why I turned out with my black hair.
I could see that being a probable cause.
Hey guys, I think I might be better now.
So what do you guys want on your pizza?
Pepperoni sounds good. I mean, good.
I love pepperoni.
Pepperoni? Ryan?
I'm truly sorry, guys.
I'm sorry. No, Ryan, go to the bathroom.
Get over there.
Candy, I am so sorry. Ryan is never like this. Oh, it smells terrible in here. I feel so embarrassed. Oh, man. I'm so... Please forgive me.
That was the worst blind date ever.
It's not my fault.
You ruined my chances with a good man. Smells like farts. And stay off the aviation campus.
Thanks, Ryan. You ruined my only chance to be with a woman that I thought was attractive, even though her backtracking was terrible. I'm forever alone now.